Hi, Miss Debbie. This is my final screencast for ELRC 2507. Here's the front page of my website. Um, this is just the home page, basically explaining what my website's about, what I'm here to teach you about, and under that there's also tabs that you can click to navigate the website itself. Then we move to biography. This is just my biography, tells my website a little bit about myself, where I came from, what I want to do, what I'm studying, what I hope to get out of this class, and things like that. And then I can move down to web resources, and here are the wakelets I found. Here's my wakelet on technology and resources for pediatric speech therapy, along with 4 others. This will be useful for whenever I am doing speech therapy with kids, because there's just so much information, and I love Wakelet because you can browse other people's items and save topics from other people's items, and I think it's just a great resource. I also included some extra resources of just 5 extra resources that I just truly enjoyed using, and I think it's great for teaching. And then moving on to my personal choices / favorites. Here's a list of my personal favorite websites for practicing speech, language, and reading. And some of them are Remind, TED Ed, Ed Helper, Jumpstart, Go Noodle, Brain Pop. So these are all just great resources to expand knowledge, learn things as an educator, teach things to parents, reminders. There's a bunch of interactive stuff on these websites, and yeah. So we're going to move to technology projects. Here is my thematic slideshow of aspects of pediatric speech therapy. So I posted some photos from that, and then here's my digital scavenger hunt when we went around LSU and took pictures of elements of LSU. So then we moved to my digital story, and I did my digital story on the rise of speech pathology and audiology. I also have my storyboard template on here with all my information of planning for the digital story that we made on iMovie. And then we can move down to mobile apps. This was the mobile app I chose. It was Smiling Minds. I really enjoyed learning about this app. I think this could be beneficial for anyone, young to old, in a classroom setting, in a home setting, by yourself, in your room, wherever you want to use it. And then we move down to the PLE and PLN. Here's my PLN and PLE. My personal learning network is a group of colleagues, mentors, and professionals that you can connect with to enhance your learning and take charge of your own professional development. And then for my personal learning environment, it describes the tools, communities, and services that constitute the individual education platforms that learners use to direct their own learning and pursue educational goals. And here's my reflection on blogs, curation, and microblogs. So you can pull it up here. Here's my reflection on blogs. I really enjoyed this section because I am pretty new to learning about blogs, but I think this blog website was just a great tool for me to learn even more. And then here's my reflection on Wakelet. I truly love Wakelet. I said it prior in the video. I just love how easy it is to share information and learn new information and create your own boards, and there's so much creativity, and it's a free app. So Wakelet's one of my favorite things. And then I have my reflection on Twitter. And this has all of my stuff for Twitter. And then we move down to my website evaluation. Here's that. I enjoyed doing an evaluation on Rewrite and Think. I thought it was a really cool project just to be in the know of copyright and just other aspects of websites that I hadn't thought about before. And then here's my Apple Teacher certification. And then this is the link to my tech blog, and I wrote 3 posts. The third one was about Wiki, how to use Wiki, advantages, how to use it in my classroom. This is about copyright and how teachers should avoid being copyrighted and fair use. And then this was my welcome post, inviting everybody to my blog. You can contact me in my email, and that's about it. So thank you for everything in this class. I've enjoyed taking both of your classes in the past year. You're a great teacher, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.